Hello everybody, it's Dana Sullivan, your Stampin' Chick, here with another Make It Monday! How are you today, my friends? I am so happy to be here with you on this fabulous Monday. This weekend was Mother's Day weekend, and I am so blessed and thankful to have a wonderful family who took good care of me and spoiled me absolutely rotten. I woke up to my husband having coffee ready and made me breakfast and put a little cluster of roses on my plate, and it was so sweet and I just loved it. And my family were constantly asking me throughout the day what I wanted to do, and it was so much fun. And then they took me to dinner last night, which was just absolutely fabulous. I loved it. So I hope that you all had a wonderful Mother's Day and that you spoiled your mama rotten, because she certainly deserves it. So today, today's Make It Monday project is a cute, simple little card that I had so much fun making. It didn't take any time at all. It was just a very sweet, simple little card, but I'm using the Everything Is Rosy stamp set out of that absolutely fabulous Everything Is Rosy Product Medley suite. Now, if you haven't seen this yet, you probably have been living under a rock, because all of the demonstrators for Stampin' Up! Are just going gaga over this suite, because it is absolutely beautiful. I love it. You're gonna love it too. So let me tell you about the Everything Is Rosy bundle right quick, and then we're gonna get back to our project, okay? So in this product medley, I shouldn't call it a bundle, because it's not just a bundle. It's a bundle and then some and then some and then some. And oh my goodness, it's insane. Okay, so the Everything Is Rosy product medley includes the stamp set, which is, as you can see, absolutely adorable. It includes the dies to coordinate with it. And check this out. This makes the most gorgeous border you have ever seen. And the detail in these dies are phenomenal. I'm so in love with it. It also includes 2 spools of ribbon, which, as you can see, I've been playing a bit. So this is the Melon Mambo Rouged ribbon. So cute, very dainty and beautiful. And then this one is the Night of Navy with rose gold metallic trim. So as you see, this one coordinates with the other metallic edged ribbons that we have in our catalog, but this is Night of Navy and rose gold, which we don't have in the catalog. And one of the things about this product medley is that you're not going to find this stuff in the catalog. None of these products are going in the catalog at all. And then the other thing, or another thing that is in the product medley, is this fabulous rose gold shimmer paint. Let me see if I can get it to, there we go. Rose gold shimmer paint, which you can use to paint directly on the project. I have actually put some in one of our spritzers, and it makes the most beautiful shimmer that you have ever seen. I actually have a sample here, but I'm not sure how well you're going to see it. Anyway, there actually is a shimmer on there. I hope that you can pick it up, but if not, just know that it is a beautiful shimmer. It comes with a sheet of mirrored embellishments. Now, these are kind of dulled out, but you can see how shiny the border is. The little dots have a coating on them that you pick off, so it keeps them from getting scratched up before you're ready to use them. And then it comes with all sorts of papers and embellishments, which, you know, I've been playing. So it comes with some rose gold foil paper, and all of this beautiful, 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 beautiful designer series paper. I'm missing scraps here. Designer series paper. It's double-sided, just like a lot of our designer series papers in the catalog, and it's absolutely beautiful. So one side has all of the rose gold foil embellishment, and then the other side has a more natural and muted softer tones, which you can see here. And then I'm sprinkling stuff everywhere, so you can see that I have been playing. And look at the detail on this. This is one of those die cuts, and it's absolutely beautiful. I'm saving that for something else. Originally, I was going to put it on here because I think it looks beautiful with Pool Party. Check that out. Isn't that beautiful? Not with this card per se, but it is a beautiful piece. So I'm saving it, and I'm going to use it on another project. And then you get 2 sheets each of a couple of different embellishments. So we've got 2 sheets of this frame set with the beautiful flowers. We have 2 sheets of this frame set with flowers. 2 sheets of the die cut flowers that coordinate with the stamp set. And then you get 8 sheets of the rose gold foil paper. And so as you can see, it's a fabulous deal. The whole product suite is a collective product. You can't order individual things. You have to order it together as one product suite. It's $80 for the product suite, but easily $120 worth of products if you were to price out everything individually. So it's a fabulous deal. They are gorgeous products. You're not going to be able to get them in the catalog. You're not going to be able to get them anywhere else. This product suite for the month of May only, so you just have a couple of weeks left to purchase it before it's gone forever. So if you're interested in the Everything is Rosy product medley, I will have a link down in the box below. Make sure that you go and get it, because I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. On top of that, you're going to see product samples on my page, on my blog, and all of my customers who purchase this product suite from me are going to be getting a PDF tutorial bundle, as well as a private tutorial video here on YouTube that will only be available to you who purchase the product suite. So super exciting, a whole lot of fun. The product suite is absolutely gorgeous. You won't be disappointed, I promise. You'll absolutely love it. It's amazing. So if you Google Everything is Rosy, you're going to find a lot of samples, a lot of projects that are in the Melon Mambo and Night of Navy colors, because that's basically the colors of the products in the suite. But I wanted to change it up a bit and show you something that's completely different, because when you run out of the designer series paper and you run out of the embellishments and you're left with the stamp and die bundle, then what are you gonna do? So this is something that you can do with the bundle that doesn't require any of the other products, so you can get more and more and more use out of this product suite, which is absolutely fabulous. So today's project is going to be a card that I used Pool Party and Daffodil Delight to make my colors. So what you're going to need is a sheet of Pool Party cardstock measuring 5.5 by 8.5. This is our standard card base, of course. You're going to need a scrap of white cardstock. I used the Everyday Label Punch. And then you're going to need your Pool Party ink and your Daffodil Delight ink. And then, of course, you'll need the Everything is Rosy stamp set. You're also going to want the Silver and Pool Party Baker's Twine, which is what I used here. Or, of course, you could substitute with any ribbon or twine of your choice. And then I used my handy dandy Crocodile to make my hole punches, but you know, a good 1/8 of an inch hole punch would be fabulous. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to do is fold that cardstock base in half. So it'll be scored at 4 1/4. You fold it in half and we'll burnish it down with our bone folder. And then we're going to bring in a piece of paper that we can use to stamp on. And we're going to take the big flower right here from the stamp set and the Pool Party ink. Get that out here. And we're just going to randomly stamp all over the front of our card base. Now you can stamp as many or as few as you like. It's your project. You do what you want. Aren't they beautiful? I absolutely love the flowers in this set. They are gorgeous. And there we go. Okay, and then you're going to take the Daffodil Delight and this little stamp right here, and we're gonna just stamp the little centerpieces that you see right here. So we'll take the Daffodil Delight and our little stamp, and originally when I was making the card I thought I was going to fill the center in with these little images, and then I thought, gosh, that looks really cute just like it is. So that's how creative processes work. And I think it just sets it off a little bit. It just makes it absolutely adorable. Alright, as you can see, we're halfway there and we've just started, so you can tell how simple this project is. Alright, now we're going to take our punch and the scrap of white cardstock and just punch out our label. And then we're going to take this stamp set here, May Your Birthday Be Filled with Pretty Things, and we're going to stamp that right on there. And we'll use Daffodil Delight as well. Let me make sure I've got it upright. Of course, at this point it doesn't really matter, but alright, let me see if I can center it here. Good enough. There we go. Alright, now, one thing I think I'm going to do a little differently is here I punched holes on either side and I actually ran the baker's twine behind the piece, and I've used an awful lot of ribbon there that I didn't really need to. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to punch the one end and I'm going to tie the bow directly onto the end and just forego the other side altogether, and we'll see how that works. I don't think it really adds too much to the other side to have the hole and the little piece there, but we'll see. If we don't like it, then we'll do it the other way. Alright. Take some of our ribbon. Sorry, baker's twine, not ribbon. I'm so used to saying ribbon, huh? Okay, and then, you know, the one thing about this baker's twine that has the metallic foil wrapped into it is that it separates right here, and it's kind of a pain in the patella to get tied. There we go. Alright, now we're good. Okay. Yeah, I don't think it's going to matter that that's not done, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut a section off. And I cut way more than I needed, so I still wasted some. It's okay. Maybe not as much as I thought I did. Alright, we're good. Alright, now we're just going to tie this in a bow. Whoops. We're just going to tie this in a bow. Work with me here, friend. We are just, there we go, going to tie this in a bow. Oh, goodness. Do you ever have those problems? Sometimes it just doesn't want to cooperate. Alright, there we go. Yeah, we didn't waste much. Isn't that adorable? I love that. Sorry about that, folks. My husband is calling in. I will call him right back. Okay, now I'm going to put dimensionals on the back of our piece here. Now, I don't know about you, but I use absolutely every inch of my dimensionals. So after I've used up all of the pre-cut ones, I go back and I cut all the way around the outside of the frame because I want to use all of it. Okay, let me get this off. You see, we're doing really well. We've not taken much time at all. This is a really simple card. Super sweet, very easy to do. And then we're just going to attach that. And then we will trim just a tiny bit off. There we go. Alright, friends, there you have it. Super simple, super easy. Everything is Rosy bundle being used in a totally different way than what you're seeing all over Google and Facebook. I hope that you've enjoyed today's tutorial, and I hope that you will check out the Everything is Rosy bundle if you don't already have it, because holy moly, it is absolutely amazing. You will not be sorry. Go click the link down below. Go get your Everything is Rosy suite. You're going to love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.